Hey Mark, are you ready? Good morning and welcome to my vlog. that was Mark, or also known as Mark on 333. 333. Are you half evil? Anyway, you should check him out. He's a great singer, a great musician. He lives in Ireland. You should check him out, and I will put a link below. So, it's already morning, as you can see. The weather is, let me show you. Ah, it's pretty, oh my god. Sorry for that. It's pretty bad weather. It's lots of cold. And I'm drinking some coffee, watching some videos on YouTube, and later I will continue my project, my new song, and all that stuff. So, see you later, guys. One, two, three, four, 17. 17 channels for my song. It's quite a lot of amount of channels, you know. I'm so tired right now. The time is 2:40 p.m. and I'm from 10 a.m. here. I just took a break for about an hour to see some comments and comment some videos on YouTube, and then I got back to this, and thank God it's ready, almost. I have to master these tracks down so I can make it sound better, and then it will be ready to get it on the air. Oh, I'm glad. And I have a gig to do tonight, huh? Yeah. So I'm gonna get some rest, and I'm gonna get ready later for that gig with Adam tonight. We're gonna rock. But first I'm gonna get some rest, and then I can rock. Ciao. Have I got some good news for you? I finished the song. Yay, 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 yay. Okay. I mastered down the tracks, it's ready. I believe for you guys will be Sunday. Yes, Sunday. You will be able to listen to that. The time is 7:30 almost. And half an hour almost I will go and pick up Adam to go to the place where I'm going to gig tonight. And I haven't done anything yet. I was so obsessed finishing the song, and I'm still with my pajamas. I have to shave myself, I want to do my hair. I must get around. So in my count of 3 I will be ready. 1, 2, 3. I'm ready. I'm going fast. Bye. Oh, bloody weather! Oh god! I'm freezing! I don't know if you can hear me, but it's very windy right now. I'm a survivor, man! just set up our equipment and we're ready to do a nice sound check. There's Adam, there's me. I really don't think that we're gonna have crowd tonight. Time for sound check. Well, another gig has come to an end. It wasn't so good and it wasn't so bad. It was half crowded today. The half place was full of people, and but though it went really good. Okay, we played about 2.5 hours. And it went really good. At least we played because we wanted so bad to play somewhere. The weather is getting worse. It's raining, it's windy, very windy, and it's pretty cold, and I'm tired. So I need to go home, take a nice bath, and go to sleep. Oh my god. Really bad weather. Oh, holy mother nature. Well, the time is late and I'm gonna go to sleep right now. So thank you. Good night. Ciao.